Hi, this is Sangeeta Lamisani. For the midterm project week 4 assignment, I have taken sample Superstore data, which is downloaded from Tableau data store. This data set consists of 20 data fields or columns, and it also consists of records of sales in US within time period of 2014 to 2017. And for the data analysis and visualization in Excel, I have tried to find out sales by states and visualize top 10 sales by state. And we can see from the bar graph, California is the top selling state, followed by New York, Texas, and so on. Secondly, I have tried to find out sales by region and category for the period of 2014 to 2017. We can see that technology is the top selling category in all 4 regions, and the lowest selling region is South and the highest is West, whereas the highest selling category technology is in the East. And for the third one, I tried to find out total sales by category and subcategory. We can see from the horizontal bar that phones subcategory from technology category is the most selling subcategory, followed by chairs from category furniture, whereas least selling subcategory is fasteners from office supplies category. And for the fourth one, I tried to find out sales by month for the period of 2014 to 2017. I have used line graph to show sales by month each year from 2014 to 2017. We can see in the line graph that the highest sales is in the month of November 2017, whereas the lowest can be seen on February 2014. And sales has been increased comparatively in 2017. For the profit, I tried to find out total profit by month for the period of 2014 to 17. I have used line graph to show profit by each month, each year. And we can see in the line graph that highest profit is seen in the month of December 2017. And also it can be seen that profit has been increased in 2017, and overall profit is gradually increased every year. And we can see in the graph that there has been loss on January 2015, followed by July 2014. And overall, we can see from the sample Superstore data analysis and visualization that highest selling state is California for the period of 2014 to 17. And for the category, technology is the highest selling category among the category furniture, office supply, and technology. The highest sales is in the region East and followed by the region West. The sum of sales has been rising each year, and the highest sales is seen in the year of 2017. And also the highest profit can be seen in the month of December 2017, and we can see this profit has been gradually increased each year from 14 to 17, and a highest loss is reported in the month of January 2015. Thank you.